Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to take a look into the PySpark shared variable broadcast and accumulators. So here is a definition. Shared variables allow the driver program to share data with the executors efficiently. Now, broadcast use to send a large read-only lookup data set to all worker nodes. Accumulators use to perform counters or metrics in parallel computation. And why we need to use them? So here regular Python variables are local to the driver node and not visible to the executor. And broadcast ensure data is available on all nodes without resending each time. So that helps in performance. Accumulators track a global value like counters across the distributed tasks. So let's take a look into the word match example with broadcast variable. Here we have an array of the word, and those are apple, banana, orange, grapes, and kiwi. And here is our lookup set that is consists of banana and kiwi. Now here is our broadcast variable, and that is broadcast. We are using this function and broadcasting this set of this values. So we have a banana and kiwi right there. Now we are creating a RDD here by saying parallelize and then words. So RDD will be we will be creating RDD for this data. Once our RDD is created, we are creating another RDD matches and say RDD.filter and the lambda words in a broadcast variable. So we are gonna check for this variable, and we know that this variable contains only two values. These are banana and kiwi. And then we can say match.collect. That's gonna collect and then we can print if we want. So now let's execute this right here and take a look. Okay, so here it is, the words that matches the lookup set using broadcast. We have banana and kiwi. So you see that how we broadcast and then how we use it. So here we are going to take a look on another example for click counter. And here we have clicks. So we have home, about, home, and home, about. And then here we have a variable. So we are setting this accumulator 0. Now we are creating a new data frame that RDD click underscore RDD spark context parallelize and providing this data, and this is going to create our click underscore RDD. Now here is a function that we are creating called count home clicks, and then we passing this value and checking if the page is equal to home. So and then we are increasing the counter by 1 and then returning the page. So here click underscore RDD dot map. So we are applying a map on this one, and then count home clicks dot collect. So once we passing this function to it, it's going to get us those counts, and then finally we are printing that value what we get. So let's go ahead and execute this one, and it should return us 3 because 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 homes inside this our clicks data set right there. Okay, so this is how you will be using the shared variables for broadcast or accumulators and then in the PySpark. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.